is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Hi guys! So I bring you this beautiful, simple, and mouth-watering gizzard kebab for our first Christmas recipe. So let's go. So I have here my gizzard. I have neatly prepped, as you can see, and then I also have my seasoning, curry powder, mixed seasoning, and all that I'll be listing in the description box. And then I have here some green chilies, onion, shallots, ginger, garlic, and coal. So we're gonna blend it and use it as our marinade. So I transfer my gizzard into my pot, add my seasoning to it, and then I will be adding my blended marinade to it. And then please, no adding of water, so we just add little salt, and then we stir and we put it on fire to cook for like about 30 minutes. Yes, with this, the gizzard is going to release its juice. Yes, and it will be well engulfed with the marinade. Okay, so here we are, 30 minutes into the cooking. So we're gonna cover this up again, and then over here you can see, yes, so we add little water to it and then cover it again for it to cook for extra 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, so whilst cooking my gizzard, I'll prep or make my green chili sauce. So I have a video on how I made my green chili sauce. You can also check it out, but I just blended the marinade, added more green chilies to it, and then here we are. So we allow this to cook, then we add some shrimp powder and some seasoning for more beautiful sweet flavor and taste, and then we allow this to cook, and then we set it aside for it to cool down. In the interim, you can see our gizzard is well cooked. Nanede, it was well seasoned. The pepper. So we take our gizzard from the fire, drain it, and then now I am gonna add it to my green chilies. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified and be the first to watch and share, okay? So just look at that. Our gizzard has been well incorporated with our green chili sauce. So I add some onion to it, and we are ready for the assembling. So we allow this to cool down a little bit, and then I am gonna use my kebab sticks or skewers and arrange my gizzard on it. Yes, you can choose to add any vegetable of your choice. I wanted to make this very simple, so I used just onions. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna arrange till we are done with the gizzard. And guys, we are almost done. You can enjoy it this way, or you can take it to another level. Make gizzard kebab for this festive season, okay? For your parties, Thanksgiving, gathering at home, and all that. Just look at that. It's mouth-watering, delicious, finger-licking, and eye-catching. Everybody was asking for more. So my mom preferred to eat hers just like this. Well, I will take hers for her. But I topped it up with some more suya pepper or kebab pepper. And guys, you should try this. Oh my goodness. It was the best gizzard kebab ever I have made. Yes. So just look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this inviting? Your guests, your family members, they are gonna enjoy this, okay? So after sprinkling the suya pepper, you can keep it this way, or you can also put it in the oven for just 5 minutes, okay, for extra touch. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, I know you like this. Thank you, and see ya in our next video for more Christmas recipes. Bye bye.